Okay, so we got this new sink faucet. You can see I already have the old one uninstalled. So I was about to install this one, and I noticed that it did not come with the plate to put right here to cover all three of these holes. So I had to buy one of these separately. This one's a 10-inch. I probably could have got away with just a 6-inch plate, but it's not going to hurt anything to have a 10-inch. It's just going to cover more of the sink up. So you can see, this is what I'm talking about. This guy right here. We're just going to go and cover up those. It did not come with one of those. So be prepared for that. If you're replacing this with one that has 3 holes, meaning 2 handles on the outside and the spigot in the middle, you'll probably need to get one of these plates separately. So what's in the box is a rubber grommet, which I don't know we'll need today since we have this plate, and the faucet itself. It's a waterfall faucet. This is going to hold it in, and then our 2 hoses. So when installing these hoses, make sure you remember which side's hot and which side's cold. For our sinks, the left side is going to be hot. So whenever I'm looking under here, I know this is going to be the left side. I'm going to go ahead and put this to the left side. Now don't over tighten these because these do have rubber O-rings, so you don't have to tighten them that hard. You don't have to worry about them leaking because of the double O-rings. I'm going to put our cold side on. Okay, so it's installed just like that. That's going to go under there just like that whenever I put the sink up underneath the sink. So I am going to end up putting the rubber grommet right here, just to kind of give it some protection between the plate. And then go right down in here, get that lined up. And before we tighten it all the way down, we're going to make sure everything's nice and lined up. Now I'm going to go over there, put this on, and I'll show you guys what it looks like whenever I put it on. Okay, update. I actually had to end up installing this before I put it down there. I could not get it through the hole to screw it in, so I went ahead and took the backing nut off and screwed it in now, and now I'm going to put it in. So this should be much easier. I was going to try to avoid taking the backing nut off, but yep, it didn't work. So let's do it like this. Okay, looking up under the sink now. See, I got my hot on, I got my cold on. You can see that. And I'm going to try to show you guys the install. Hopefully, you can see up there. See, that's where the golden nut is. And it has 2 Phillips head screws that you need to tighten down too. Okay, let's try it out now. Slowly turning on the hot side. And honestly, that's the reason why it was so loud, is because I'm barely turning it on there. It's got a lot of pressure to it. I'll probably be there the whole time. That's a successful install. I like it. It's pretty cool. For a waterfall type thing. That's pretty cool. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.